Hi everyone, my name is Courtney and I took the Ancestry DNA results and it comes in like a little kit and you do your saliva sample and you send it off to the lab where they break down your DNA results. It took like 8 weeks and it was a horrible wait. I am so impatient, and so I finally got the results and it comes in an email. And then you just have to type in your username and password to see your full ethnicity results. So before I took the results, I thought I pretty much knew what I was, and I thought I was Italian, Irish, Native American, and French. So when I got the DNA results, I was a little bit shocked to see that everything I was told was not so accurate. So I'm glad I did this, but it's a little bit heartbreaking too because growing up, you get like this identity to be a certain nationality or a certain ethnicity, and then to see the actual results, it's quite shocking. So I would definitely recommend doing this, especially if you think you're confident about what you know. Um, so I'm just going to get right into the results. If anybody else has any questions about how the DNA kit works, just comment below and I'll be happy to help. All right, here we go. So I'm just going to go right down the list, and my first thing is Africa, 1%. Really, really shocked to see that. Even though it's 1%, I just didn't even expect to see that. And the region is Senegal, so that's pretty cool. And then my next one is from Asia, 2%. Again, nothing I expected to see, but still pretty cool. And these are just trace regions, so that means that there's just a really small amount detected in your DNA. And that Asian part is from Asia South, which includes India, Pakistan, and Nepal, things like that. So I just was really shocked about that. And then it goes down to 94% European. So that was really high. And then it breaks down into other parts and other regions. So my highest one was 28%, Italy, Greece. So I knew I was Italian, but I just expected to be so much more. So, but it was good just for confirmation to see that I was 28% Italian. And then 24% Great Britain. I was a little shocked to see that, but then after reading what it includes, it's primarily located in England, Scotland, and Wales, but it's also found in Ireland and France. So both of those things were talked about in my family, so I'm assuming that that's probably where it's coming from. And then I was 16% Scandinavian, which is located in Sweden, Norway, and Denmark, but it's also found in France again. So I'm seeing France pop up in a lot of areas, so I'm assuming that's what it's picking up on. And then this one was really shocking to me. This was 14% from Iberian Peninsula, which is primarily located in Spain and Portugal. I never heard anybody say that we were Spanish of any sort, but then I also read that it's also found in Italy and France. So again, those are picking up even more everything that I'm reading. So I'm assuming that it's Italian and France again, but it could be Spanish, and that's just crazy. And then I have 12% of trace regions found in the European part, and those are 4% Europe East, which includes Poland, all like the Czechoslovakias and things like that. And then 4% Irish. I expected that to be so much larger, but I'm wondering if the Great Britain part was Irish, so we'll see. And then 3% Europe West, which is included in Belgium, France, again, and Germany. But it's also found in Italy, so more commonalities. And then I am less than 1% Finland, Northwest Russia. I did not expect to see that, but it's less than 1%, so it could be there, it could not be there. But that's such a small percent. Again, another trace region. And then I have 3% West Asia, which is also broken down into two different regions. One being 2% Middle Eastern, which is Syria, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, things like that, Israel. And then 1% Caucasus. I'm pretty sure that's how you say that. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. And that 1% is also located in Iran, Iraq, Turkey, Syria. So those things are very common. But both of those I did not expect to see. And that is my full ethnicity chart. I would definitely recommend doing this. I did not expect to see half the things I seen on my results, but I'm so happy I did it. And I just bought my dad a kit for Father's Day. So hopefully we can just continue down the line to see what I share with him, what I got from him, and then hopefully I'll get one for my mom one day and see what I got from her. So I'm super excited, and hopefully you guys like the video. Bye.